Yeah. Turn the pressure up. We don't stop. Grind mode activated. Wake up in the morning, got the fire in my chest. Every rep, every step, I'm aiming for the best. Sweat dripping down, but I'm built for the test. I don't break, I don't fold, I rise under stress. People talk big, but they never show up. I'm the type to fall down and get up and go up. Heart of a lion, mind of a soldier. Every day I'm grinding till the mission is over. I'm in grind mode, push it to the limit. No fear, no doubt, yeah, I'm all the way in it. Grind mode, feel the power when I move. This is my time, I fight my groove. Grind mode, never stop, never slow. I'm a beast, I'm a king, watch me take control. Grind mode, every day I improve. Turn the music up loud, let's get in the groove. Pain in my body, but the mind stays strong. I've been fighting all my life, I've been grinding too long. Every setback taught me how to stand tall. Now I'm running through the fire like I can't feel it all. Weights on the bar, but I live for my soul. Every goal that I set, yeah, I'm ready to roll. Ain't nobody gonna hand me the crown, so I hustle every second till I shut it all down. Push, breathe, lock in, don't quit. You're stronger than you think, remember that grit. Push, breathe, keep your eyes on the prize. Champions are made when nobody's watching your eyes. Let the beat hit your chest like a heartbeat. Let the grind lift you up when your knees weak. This is your moment, your fight, your zone. Turn the pressure into power, make the gym your throne. I'm in grind mode, push it to the limit. No fear, no doubt, yeah, I'm all the way in it. Grind mode, feel the power when I move. This is my time, I fight my groove. Grind mode, never stop, never slow. I'm a beast, I'm a king, watch me take control. Grind mode, every day I improve. Turn the music up loud, let's get in the groove.